it's me, Miss Hot here. Bro, my mind this week has been going in some really interesting places. So, earlier this week, I had this thought that we and one of my group of friends were originally sides, like the Sandra sides. But we were, like, magically pushed out of the mind palace of the person we were the sides of and spread across North America until we met each other online. And then, because we're all just like so like this. And then another one I just had, I was listening to the music from Descendants 3, and then it clicked in my head, like I knew this. I watched the movie, I knew this. But I've also been listening to the Percy Jackson music a lot lately. I'm like reading the books and just falling back in love with Percy Jackson, which was my very first fandom I was a part of. And it occurred to me, Mal, yeah, she can turn into a dragon and use magic. She's a demigod of one of the big three. She's a demigod, the daughter of Hades. Bro, she existed in the Percy Jackson universe when they were battling for Olympus? Dude, she would have been there. She would have ditched her dad and went to Dude, I'm just trying to imagine how different the battle for Olympus would have went in the last Olympian if Mal, who is a demigod who can turn into a dragon, because then she would also have Hades' kid's powers, which is talk to the dead. Bro. And like shadow travel. Bro. But also, this thing I thought of. So, what if in Thomas Sanders' sides? I don't know. In the Sanders sides by Thomas Sanders, what if Thomas took a squib from BMO Chill and that brought Logan out, and I don't understand where these thoughts come from, but they're just in my brain, and I can't get rid of any of them, because now they're just sitting there, taking over my mind and my day, because I can't get them out of my head, and I'm always thinking about them, like, what's next? But, like, I don't know, it's just so, I want. My mom just texted me something. But it's just so Mal, soon to be Queen Mal of Auradon, who's engaged at the end of the movie to King Ben, son of Belle and Beast. She's the daughter of Maleficent, who is also the daughter of Hades, would be the most powerful demigod, half-blood there ever was. Like, there'd be no stopping her. I know, this is really different from what I usually record for YouTube, but I just wanted to get that all out of my head, like, but it's still there. All of it. Maybe I am the daughter of Athena. Well, anyway, that being said, rocking my PMA merch and my Sandra size necklaces. $17. So, yeah. That being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So, Love you guys.